Ke National Book Trust India Ministry of Education jo ke sorkar pdeng ryngkat ke jingriewspah ke tnad art and culture bat ke tnad pule puthi ke sorkar Jylla kan sa Pynlong ke Shillong Book Fair naduh ke Hynñiew tarik Nailur hajar pulai haduh kalai tarik Risaw hajar pulai phyllaw jo ke State Central Library Shillong Haba kren pathai Khubor ha ke tarik Nailur hajar pulai Director ke National Book Trust India Yuvraj Malik ong kane ke book fair kan longkum si bynta bansa jingkynmaw ya ke jingriewspah ke Jylla ha ke thoh bat ha culture jangka Jylla Meghalaya ha ke Shillong Book Fair dan palat san photli ke dukan de kot ha ke ba an pen i ki kot ki ba bonjat kan thup ne kinong thoh kot ki ba paw kari India bat na ke Jylla Pravin Bakshi IAS ong hadin juga klam COVID-19 kani kade kasien ke ban ningkong ban Pynlong ya ke Shillong Book Fair bat ngets camp ki brew ki ba eat ban pulikot bat ki khna school ki nuan nation bynta ha kani ke program ke ba Hynñiew Sngi khnang ba ki nyo shibon ki jingmantoy
to all these schools from the side of the school education department. It is up to them how many will be able to come, but I can see that by sharing all the dates and the schedules, it has created quite a bit of excitement. So we hope that it turns into footfalls also and many students will come. To give a number is very difficult. Actually, it's a test case for us also. After a good gap of 7-8 years, we are going to have a book fair. We've had so many fairs. We have expos, we have rock fest, we have cultural fest, and there is a huge crowd. So it's a test case for us to see after 7-8 years when we are having a book fair in Shillong. Actually, how many people, how many students, how many children, how many youth will come? So that will give us a very good idea of what we need to do to promote the love of book reading or this habit among students. Very well, we already shared now that there's going to be a Shillong Book Fair. If I am not mistaken, this Shillong Book Fair is happening after a gap of 7-8 years. Post-COVID, this is the first book fair on such a large scale which is happening in our state, in Shillong. And we are very proud to be associated with this book fair with National Book Trust. The planning for it has started way back, several months back, and a lot of hard work has gone into it, both from the side of National Book Trust and also from the side of the state government. We are also very delighted that, as Mr. Malik has just said, it's not just a book fair. It's much more than a book fair. There will be, I think, cultural items, there will be competitions for our youth. We hope that there will be a lot of participation from the schools, from the colleges, and there will be host of various activities which will be centered around the book fair. From the side of the state government, we have partnered with them, with the National Book Trust, we have collaborated with them with the hope that book reading, which was like, it was a passion several years back, decades back, that is slowly losing out. I'm not saying it's dead or it needs to be revived, but slowly losing out thanks to the the kind of digital craze we have and we are glued to our digital screens. So one of the most crucial things that we want to do through this book fair is send across a message that book lovers are still there, they're around, and they need a very good platform by which they can come, they can share, and they can buy books. So this is that forum and this is that platform that Shillong had been looking for a very long time. And in these 7 days, we hope that there will be a lot of participation from the youth, from the children. It is hoped that children will come from schools, the youth will come from colleges, and they will buy books, they will discuss about books, there will be book reading sessions, there will be various types of competitions which will be very nice. So all in all, it will be a youth-centric and child-centric book fair which will happen. And from the side of the state government, whatever support we were asked for, we have been more than happy to provide. And we also hope that in these 7 days there will be a very good coverage from our friends from the media to showcase that Shillong book lovers are still very much there. I think there has to be a sense of competition also. I hear from Mr. Malik that in various places there had been a surge of people, crowds have come in Leh, in Lucknow, on the banks of the Gomti. So I've seen those visuals, and in my heart I have a secret desire that the Shillong book lovers should be able to beat that crowd. So that is the hope and prayer with which we once again collaborate with the National Book Trust for this Shillong Book Fair, and we thank the National Book Trust to plan for our state, for our city, and we hope that this book fair will be an outstanding success in all its 7 days. Thank you very much.
Welcome you all. Today, I request sir to give the opening remark.
No, you can start.
As you know, National Book Trust of India is the apex body for Government of India for publishing and related to the book and book reading culture. So we have been fulfilling our mandate for the last 67 years, and in follow-up to the mandate, we are planning to organize, and in fact, tomorrow we will inaugurate it, the Shillong Book Fair in collaboration, coordination and support with the State Department, Department of Education and Department of Art and Culture. It is a very wonderful initiative of the state government that we are coming for a collaboration between state and central body to organize book fair in the beautiful state of Meghalaya. I would like to thank for this cooperation and support and the initiative that state government has taken. Over a period of 27th September to 3rd of October, you will get to see a lot of bookstores being put up here. More than 30 publishers with different variety of books of all age group, for all segments, and in all even regional languages and dialects, you will get to see the books. You will get to see the books about NEP, National Education Policy compliant books in bilingual format. You will get to see India 75 series that commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. You will also get to see books about Prime Minister Yuva project, where we have made biographies and events related to the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So these are some of the selling features. Other than that, there will be non-continuous children activities where children will get to know. They will have storytelling sessions, they will have graffiti training, lettering, painting, drawing, all kind of soft skills that the child need to grow. We will have workshops for them, we will have activities for them, and they will be conducted. And we already requested the State Department for Education to outreach, and necessary directions have been passed. So you get to see that a lot of children will be there to enjoy these activities. Other than that, you will also get a lot of authors from Northeast region. They will come, they will have their literary sessions, they will have discussions on their books, they will have discussions on various contemporary issues. That will be another feature that will be there. Important part is the book fair is absolutely free. There is no ticketing for that. Anybody can come, and it will open up morning 11 o'clock, and book fair will close around 7 p.m. in the evening. All evening sessions are being celebrated with beautiful cultural dimensions of the state. We will have a lot of cultural activities where local artists, folk music, rock bands, and other cultural events will be displayed, and the activities will take place, for which we already tied with Art and Culture Department and local school, colleges and universities also there. More than this, there is also the diversity of content, which is very important. Generally, people don't get to see so many books at one place. Our attempt is to introduce our children, our younger generations, the youth, the diaspora, to the world of books, where they can find the book, the topic, the language, or the theme. Then they will come, and it will be very interesting. You must see it. It's a treat to see those children listening stories and imbibing values through storytelling. That is the whole idea.
Okay, why did you neglect Shillong for the last 7 years?
See, last 2 years have been COVID part of it, but I have been there 3 years. It has been my one top priority. And let me tell you, when Sir Holiday that week, he himself flew to Delhi. Otherwise, we come to the state, we have meeting, we give proposal. He came to us and he finished everything in one day. The proposal of this was finished, which is not possible in government. It takes a lot of time to and fro. We finished this project in only 1 day and 1 meeting. So that is the beauty of the state. That state is very key, and that's what brought us back.
We'll be making it an annual event.
Why not? Why not?
Because we have this Shillong festival along with the cherry blossom. book reading and all.
It's a wonderful suggestion which should be able to
It's an
feature.
annual.
No, it's a very good suggestion, and the state government that is there, I can definitely assure it will happen. Because it also involves the involvement of the administration, that officers should have that passion for it, love for book, then automatically things moves. Received unconditional support, I will say. One of the finest example of state and union coordination where we have come up for this promotion of book. Most important part is there will be a 10% discount minimum on all books for all buyers. So those who want to buy, they will get a very discounted affair also, and some of the publishers will be offering discount more than that also. So this is a great opportunity for all those book lovers who want to buy. And lastly, I will just say this event is not the event of the state government or the union government. We are the implementing agency. This event belongs to the people of Meghalaya. This event belongs to the city. This event belongs to the people here. So I request through media, because without your support and outreach, no event can reach its objective. We want your support and take this message of book fair through your various mediums, through your communication network, through your outreach to the people, because entire success depends on your coverage, which will give what all things are there, how we let people know what they can avail here. So best possible support from media fraternity is expected, and I request you humbly to kindly visit the book fair, see the beauty of it, and take it to the people so that more and more people come and the city on it up. When a city owns up, a state owns up, that's the peak success of any event. With these words, without saying much, I will close my session.